Next here tonight, a look back in the year in review, and of all the issues that we've covered over the past year, none hit closer to home for all of you than the skyrocketing cost of homeowners insurance. Along the way, we've been trying to help you identify the causes, but also possible solutions. And our Lauren St. Germain is here tonight with a deeper look.
Our property insurance has been $3,500 to $4,500 for the last 12 years. Received the new bill in the mail last week, $8,375.99.
It's the same situation people all across Florida faced in 2022. Insurance premium sticker shock.
My email has never blown up that much. And I've been doing this for 6.5 years, done multiple stories, big stories, lead stories, Gabby Petito. My inbox has never been like that. And I was like, I think people really, they care.
In-depth reporter Stassi Olmos found out very quickly how crucial this issue is for our viewers and how complicated it can be after sitting down with an insurance agent for her first story.
So I went to her office one afternoon in Tampa, and she was talking, and I'm just kind of starting to lose, focus. And I walk out of the building and I'm kind of dizzy, and I'm like, what did she just say? Is this entire homeowners insurance industry a mess? I don't know the term she was using. And so I went home and I had to decompress. And then when I went through the interview, I started researching. Okay, what does this mean? And I was kind of uncovering wait, I think this is much bigger than I thought.
There is an organized undercurrent of roofers, public adjusters, attorneys, canvassing neighborhoods about the roof on your house. Even though it's a 24-year-old roof and it's only good for 20 years, we can get you a new roof put on by your insurance carrier.
That's exactly what's happening in this Seminole Heights neighborhood.
I turned around, I looked down between our houses, and there was a ladder up against my roof, and there was a guy about to step onto the roof. And I said, hey, what are you doing?
Brian Curry and Rebecca Williams tell me roofing companies are constantly knocking on the doors of these homes built in the 1920s.
They had knocked on my door. Oh, we can tell you need a new roof. I said, really? How can you tell that? You haven't even been on it. Well, we're coming around the neighborhood. And I said, sure, you can go on my roof. It just became such a hardcore press, do you want to do it? Do you want to do it?
Even after she said no, Williams received this voicemail.
Just wanted to see if you were ready to get the ball rolling on your new roof. Give me a call back at your earliest convenience.
And for many, during the tough economic times we've seen this year, skyrocketing premiums have led to tough choices.
I kind of hear with this homeowners issue that, no, we have got to leave. We can't stay. We can't pay 10 grand extra on top of our mortgage for our homeowners insurance. So it has been sad to hear people say that they're done with Florida. They can't afford to live here.
This is hideous. I'm paying $1,000 a month for increases to insurance. We're like, okay, we just might have to leave.
Suzette Bertini did not want to talk with me on camera, but she did share her story over the phone.
My husband and I bought our property on Lake Leda in Tampa in June of 2015.
This was her insurance premium with Olympus 7 years ago, $1,897. It then went to $2,500 in 2020, more than $4,500 last year, and this year, $9,031.
I almost thought I was going to have a heart attack when I opened that bill. I'm like, holy crap, $9,000? From $4,500?
They said, this is our retirement home. We moved down here from up north to stay here forever. And they're like, we can't afford it anymore because not only are they paying homeowners insurance, they're paying flood insurance because it's Florida. So in a way, we kind of have to figure out how we can bring people here and keep it affordable for them to live.
But the issue is not easily fixed.
When a storm damage claim is denied by insurance, many roofers get attorneys involved, and under Florida law, the insurance company is at high risk of paying a fee multiplier 2 to 3 times the attorney's hourly rate, often $700 to $800 an hour.
Every day I get a daily report of the number of new lawsuits, and it will curl your hair and anger you.
How many lawsuits, if you could give me a percentage, half, a quarter, are you winning?
So because of the fee multiplier, it is not an everyday occurrence that we can go to court. So I can tell you that many of the lawsuits that come in, We are having to settle.
And our homeowner is going to get the coverage that they deserve, or our company is going to be scared because they don't have enough funding. They don't want to go insolvent, so they're going to try to kind of short people. I don't know. So I would say that's the challenge going forward into 2023.
And you can count on Stassi and the rest of us here at ABC Action News to continue the search for solutions.
I don't own a home. Like, this isn't, it's great for me in the future, but for right now, I rent an apartment. And so, yeah, I do kind of wonder how in the world did I get to be the homeowners insurance reporter, but I think that it chose me.
And that was Lauren St. Germain reporting. Now, Florida's insurance crisis will no doubt be an ongoing issue that is carried into the new year, and you can count on ABC Action News to continue to report on the solutions as well as the problem. In our Price of Paradise series, you can find all of our stories on the topic by going to abcactionnews.com/paradise.